So I ordered these TV trays from Amazon, and I just got them. Got them at a nice price. I needed to have some, but what I did notice, I just unpackaged them. I do have a mark here, and I'm a little upset about that. So other than that, these are nice. I started to get the natural wood just because of this, but my cabinets in my kitchen are this color, and I just wanted it to match, and just took them out the box, and look at that. Good price though, but I'm upset with it already having a chip.
Super wobbly.
Okay.